Okay, guys. Now this is a big announcement on about my discount. First of all, happy birthday to me in advance. My birthday is on the 5th of May. I said, okay, what am I going to do for my subscribers? What will I do for my subscribers? Actually, because I know that some people has actually watched my videos and seen results, but I want to actually help some people. That is why I'm running a discount on my channel currently. I made a post about it just now, and the discount is going to start from 3rd of May to 9th of May. My birthday is on the 5th. So now, instead of 40,000 naira for my retail course, you're getting it for 15,000 naira. Convert it to the currency that you are paying and let me know, and you will know how much you'll be paying in your currency. Then SSG course is the script writing, screenwriting course, which was going for 35,500 before, but now you're getting it for 12,500. So you're getting my both courses. The first one for just 15,000 naira. Hey, God, fastest finger. And if you know you're going to pay, check the link in this post. Go to my channel, check this post, check the post section. When you check the post section, you check the link to, you go to the comment section here. You will see the wait list on Telegram. Only join the wait list if you are going to pay between the time frame of 3rd to 9th. Anything after this time will not be accepted. So the discount will only be from tomorrow. The discount has started. So if you have to 15k, you join and get started immediately. This one, I'm going to hold your hands. Now let me show you something. Come to this video aspect in my channel. All these videos have been posted. This video I posted is one of our live stream we did last year, my student. This 3-hour structure, I just decided to post it as on my channel as a free video for you guys. This is for my retail training. But now let me show you something. If I go to my unlisted videos, you can see the videos my students have access to. Understanding subtext and writing interesting characters. This is a 50 minutes long video. Plot fluency and arrangement. This video alone that is 1 hour long can change the game for you, and is only accessible to my retail students. Picking a genre and understanding the web novel market plus book promotion. You will not only be learning my training, I will not only be holding your hands for just 15,000 naira. I'm going to help you know how to promote your book. I'll teach you book promotion. God. How to understand, pick a genre that you will write on, how to understand the web novel market. These are the things I'm going to teach you for just 15,000 naira if you're going for Web. But if you're going for SSG, it's 12,500. After this, my birthday, I will never do any discount like this. You will not see it elsewhere. To show you that I didn't want to do discount during Easter, I did not even do discount. People were DMing me that they want discount. Coach, we need discount. I said I can't do discount because people would think I'm hungry. But now this is my birthday. I want to wholeheartedly do this discount and do it well. So anybody that missed it, nobody should hold me that he was not being grateful. He was not being lenient enough. Now look at this chapter by chapter template. This is a video for my retail student alone. It's on my channel, but it's for my retail student alone. You can't access it as a subscriber. Now in this chapter by chapter template is what I'm going to tell you. Chapter 1, this is how you to write it till that chapter end. Chapter 2, this is how you're to write it till that chapter end. Chapter 3, this is how you're to write it till that chapter end. If I play it, you'll be blown away. If I should play this video now on this live stream, on this recording that I'm making now, you'll be blown away. So if I were you, I'll go and start arranging my 15k. Oh my god, because you can't see this updates anywhere. Chapter by chapter blueprints part 1, chapter by chapter blueprint part 3, chapter by chapter blueprint part 4, chapter by chapter blueprint part 5, chapter by chapter blueprint part 2. You won't see it elsewhere. Now, not just that, if I go to my private videos to show you that all my videos on my Telegram group is already here, but I'll still add you to the Telegram group. So all these things are our videos. All these things are our videos. All these things are our videos. This is for screenwriting, SSG. If I go to let me go to my videos. People think I'm playing. You think I came here to play. If I go to your videos over here, you will see all the videos. These ones are unlisted. You can't have access to it. Now, if you keep scrolling, let me just scroll so you understand something. Writing romance, writing romance, writing romance, writing romance the right way. Deadly mistake newbie writers make. Deadly mistake new. Now there is tags, character-driven stories, character-driven 16 minutes, 14 minutes, character-driven story, how to write sci-fi, pacing, part 6, detailed, plot type 2, plot types, mastering cliffhangers, how to write a vampire, write like pro, common mistakes, oh my god, tenses shift, first person POV, third person POV, first line part 2, first line writing intentional characters, pacing part 1, pace, oh my, if you miss this discount, your village people are really after your life, seriously. Now, show not tell, because show not tell part 1, show not tell part 2, how to write a werewolf story, action beat part 1, part 2, part 3, then show not tell part 1. Now let's go to my Telegram group so you know what you're missing. You know what you are missing. Let's go to my Telegram group. Now this is my Telegram group. I'm going to go over to my Web masterclass. Sorry. Now you can see I have over 69 members for this year. These are people that registered July 2024 to, like, from July now. These are my students from July till this month. This year I did not do any training, any 6.6 or 7.7 this year. So that is just the thing. So this is my last year students. Every year I open a group for each of my students. So we have over 69 members here, and this is a table of content. This is the assignment submission where everybody submits. You can see all my students, they submit assignment. You don't dare say you will not submit assignment. You can see people's assignment. This is how I check all my students to know if they are following. You can see. To tell me how you will be here and you will not get result. No, you ask yourself. Now look at all these are our live streams that are, then this is getting high ticket clients. All these things are models that have videos. You have to go and, sorry, my phone is slanted. I made it. Now all these things are what you should go and watch. Now this is my paid class, but this is my free Telegram group. This Victor's Writer Circle is my free Telegram group. Okay, but this one is paid. So when you pay, you get access to this one. Now let's go to our WhatsApp group. You also have access to our WhatsApp group. Let me go to our WhatsApp group. So you have access to our WhatsApp group. I'm trying to go to our WhatsApp group right now. Now this is our WhatsApp group with Web Circle. Now when you pay, once you pay, you have access to it. Over 72 members. Now you can see it's an engaging group. People are bagging contracts. This is not me playing. So you can see a contract. Now let me show you something. Let me go to this thing so people will know that the document. So you see that we are not playing here. These are my students. These are contracts. Let me show you. These are contracts. Are you seeing them under here? Are you seeing all of them? These are contract upon contract, contract upon contract. Just be looking down. Contract upon contract, contract upon contract. Since this group started, it has been contract. Are you seeing the result they show for themselves? The result, it shows. Do you get? Very good. Now you also be added to our accountability group. Let me quickly go to our accountability group. Where is our accountability group? So you know you have not come here to play. You'll be added to the accountability group. I'm trying to look for it. Let me use this person's, one of my students, to check the group we share in common. Okay, these are accountability group. You can see all my students are here. This is where they follow their self up and they drop updates for each other. So if I were you, I would join the waitlist now and tell me and send your money in. From tomorrow, I'm accepting money transfers from any country, from anybody at all. If you miss this update, if you know what you can sell for you to be a part of this community, then do it, because this is an opportunity that you will not see you cannot see it anywhere. And it's go tell your family members, tell your friends, tell any of your friends that has been facing rejection. Is bye bye from tomorrow. Just 15,000 for web training, and you'll be a part of my student. You have access to everything my students have, including for me to review your book, guide you, hold your hand. You have access to it. SSG is 12,500. Web is what? Web is how much? 15,000 naira. So if I were you, the door will close. Once it is 9th of May, it has closed. Before you know it, 9th is already here. So if I were you, I would take action. See you there.